Hi viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel of Deal Money Securities Private Limited. Myself Brijay Bhatia from Deal Money Research. In this video, we'll be discussing what to look at the Nifty Financial Services. So we think that the time has come for financial services to outperform, and I would say that if you look at the COVID-19 issues, liquidity issues, so there is always a debate between fundamental economic and the technical. As you know, the banking and financials are blood bank of an country. So generally, if they don't perform, it seems that it's something is missing. And even if you look at the recent times, there has been a debate that Nifty banking and financials would underperform because of the liquidity issues, unemployment numbers. The people are facing some of the economic issues. But yes, saying all those stuffs, keeping it apart, in this video we'll be more focusing on the technical side of this Nifty financial services. So it's been talking to the town of Bank Nifty to Nifty ratio, and if we look at the Nifty, it has come back very strongly. The V-shaped recovery from 11,700 to 10,000, 11,700 to 10,800, 10,800 to 11,900, and it's been a V-shaped recovery for the markets and being strongly coming back. Bulls are very much aggressive. So just 6 months back, we hit 75,000, 7,500 levels, and now back approaching the new all-time high. And as we all know that it's been festive season, Diwali is on cards. People are expecting that by Diwali we might see Nifty being hitting new highs and Sensex hitting new highs. But we have already seen Reliance taking a lead, IT taking a lead, and these are the two major contributors in Nifty rally. Especially if you look at the V-shaped recovery, Reliance was the previous one rally which has taken back to 11,800. In this rally, we have seen Infosys, TCS playing the key role to hold on to the Nifty. Banking, yes, I would say a slightly laggard, and we now think that it's time for banking and financial services. Even if you look at the last week, Nifty was up by around 4%, Bank Nifty was up by around 7%, financial services index up by around 6.5%. So yes, things are coming back on track, and as I said, the talk of the town is bank many times on the social media. People discussing those charts, and we have also included in our video about this. So if you look at the ratio charts from 1.8 of the lows where it has breached the previous support zone and coming back to two levels. So basically, what is ratio chart? Ratio charts are when we take comparison between two indices, considering the outperformance and underperformance. So in this case, when we are dividing Bank Nifty price over the Nifty, it means that when the Bank Nifty outperforms, this ratio will go up. When Nifty outperforms, this ratio will go down. So if you look at the recent momentum, the Bank Nifty underperformance was quite for a longer period of time. So we think that the bad times worst is over for the banking and financials now. And if you look at the Nifty Bank Nifty ratio chart, yes, it's showing a sign of momentum. Second, now if you look at where continuing with these ratio charts, we are moving on to the Nifty financial service to the Nifty chart. And if you look at that, 2-3 highlights over here, why we think that the short term top bottom is in place, and why we think that the upside move is very much there for banking and financials. First, if you look at the technical, that say that history repeats itself, and if you look at the 2013 momentum where it has dipped 20%. So if you look at the, we have taken since 2012 data to 2020, where there are only two instances where this ratio chart has dipped by more than 20%. So in 2013 we have seen a dip of around 20%. In 2020 we have seen a dip of 20%. So we are comparing these two. Now if you look at the time frame which these fall has taken, if you look at 2013, it has taken around 38 weeks. Similarly, if you look at the now 2020, it has taken around 30 weeks. So if I just compare time cycle wise, 38 weeks and 30 weeks, it's around 7.78.6 fib time retracements, which means that when you multiply 38 weeks to around 0.786, which is 78.6% fib time, it gives you around 29.8, so nearly 30. So if we look at the bottom 30 weeks has been really an amazing bottom formation onto the Nifty financial to Nifty chart, ratio chart. Second, if we look at the 50 days, 50 week moving average on your screen, when price deviate nearly 10-12% from the 50 weekly moving average, price tries to take a pause to the momentum and come back near to the average, or average steps down. But yes, there is a pause to a momentum. So if you look at the recent time, again we are witnessing a more than 10% fall away from its 50 weekly average, and prices are expected to come back towards the average. Third, not only this, there is another angle to it why we are convinced this is the short term bottom. Now look at the RSI. The next chart is the price action with RSI. So basically RSI is relative strength index, which generally defines the stamina or the momentum left into the price action. Now if I look at the weekly chart or the ratio chart of with the RSI, there is only 3 instances where RSI has slipped below 30. Below 30 means it's been oversold territory, above 70 which means that overbought territory. Now if you look at it, 2013, 2016, 2020, these are the 3 instances where the ratio chart has moved into the oversold territory. And whenever this ratio chart has moved into oversold territory, we have seen a huge momentum coming up on the bullish side, from oversold territory moving back to the 70 levels, again to the overbought territory, which means that a reversal is on cards. Plus, if you look at the recent momentum now, it's been a positive divergence. So basically, positive divergence is the price action forms the new low. RSI doesn't form the new lows, and which is exactly what is happening now in 2020. So four things are now. First, time wise, we think reversal is on cards. Moving average playing their roles. RSI oversold territory. The history is indicating that when RSI hits 30, it's a chance of reversal. Next, if you look at the divergence, again it is giving us a convincing indication that it's now time to financial service to outperform over the Nifty. So there could be a leader which could take a lead on the positive side for the Nifty financials, and what are they? Will continue into the reports. Now, if you look at the Nifty financial index charts, the solely chart of Nifty financial index. Now, if you look at that momentum, and if we just look at the momentum of 2000, again 2013, 2016, sorry, 2013 to 16, it has retested around 61.8%. Now if I just look at the 2016, where it has formed a major bottom, a rally has happened, and coming back to the dip to 2020, again it has taken support at 61.8 Fibonacci retracements, indicating a strong support zone. Plus, if you look at the red lines on your screen, it indicates that the previous resistance where the previous high was formed, they will now act as a support zone. So all these sum up, we think that it is time for financial services to outperform strongly. As it said, अपना time आएगा, financial services का time आ गया है, and we think that for next 2 quarters, next 3 quarters, financial services strongly outperform over the Nifty, and one should really be invested in those sector, in this sector where the momentum is very much expected to be a stronger side, because we have already seen FMCG, pharma, IT, energy being strongly outperformed, and this is the one sector which has underperformed for quite long in 2020. So it's a time for this sector to look for another couple of quarters where we think 14,000 can be on cards on the index, or probably new highs can be also expected on this index. So if you look at the recent close, it's around 11,500, 11,600. Look, any dip could be a good opportunity on financial services stocks, and we are expecting index to test towards 14,000 to 15,000 in next couple of quarters. Thank you, and we would request everyone, viewers, please subscribe to our channel, so that as soon as we release the video, you will be receiving notifications. So we are coming up with regular videos on Nifty weekly view, Bank Nifty weekly view, what are the stocks which you can look for this week, commodities, currencies, and we come up with a fundamental pick for 3 months. So that's all we are releasing in our video, so that when you are subscribed, you will receive a notifications. And in case you wish to open an account with us, just go on to the www.dealmoneyonline.com and just give your details over there. Our representative will call you. Thank you.